Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Bicycle Bell Invisible Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Loud warning sound. The X-Tiger bicycle electronic horn produces a loud warning sound to ensure your safety while riding your bike. IPX4 waterproof. The horn has an IPX4 waterproof rating to withstand harsh weather conditions and ensure clear sound quality.
Number 3.
P-Cycling Bicycle Bell delivers a classic retro style with a crisp copper ring sound for clear safety alerts. Durable metal construction resists rust and wear. Easy handlebar installation fits most MTB and road bikes. Compact free-size design adds charm while ensuring reliable everyday cycling safety.
Number 2.
Product sell points, optimized sound performance. Nylon spring paddles deliver a loud, clear ringtone that effectively alerts pedestrians and vehicles. Installation convenience, easily attachable with a screw. Designed for 27 to 30 mm diameter handlebars, ensuring a secure fit.
Number 1.
Think Rider Bicycle Bell features an invisible, compact design that blends neatly with handlebars while delivering a loud warning sound. Stylish ringtone improves safety on busy roads and trails. Durable, lightweight construction installs quickly, fits most MTB and road bikes, and provides reliable signaling for cycling.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.